This video will highlight all the key features you need to know about the BESWOOD 10-inch electric food slicer. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this food slicer in the description below for the latest price. If you're looking for a slicer that performs as well in your home kitchen as it would in a small commercial setup, this model deserves a close look. One of the standout features is its premium chromium-plated steel blade. Not only does it offer sharp, precise cuts, but the corrosion-resistant material means you don't have to worry about frequent sharpening, which can be a real time saver. The 10-inch round blade is designed to slice through both deli meats and cheeses effortlessly. Whether you need thin slices for sandwiches or thicker cuts for a cheese platter, the adjustable thickness function gives you complete control. It's versatile enough for a variety of foods, making it ideal for both everyday use and special occasions. The 240W motor provides consistent power, ensuring smooth, even slicing without unnecessary strain on the machine or your hands. You'll notice that even when working with tougher cuts of meat, the slicer handles the task efficiently. Aesthetically, the classic red and silver design is eye-catching without being overbearing. The aluminum body adds a combination of strength and lightness, making the slicer durable but still easy to handle or move around your kitchen or countertop. The included serving plate is another thoughtful touch, allowing you to present your freshly sliced meats and cheeses neatly and professionally. This feature is particularly handy for hosting parties or preparing meals in advance. Maintenance is straightforward with this model. The slicer requires hand washing, which is simple given the design, and cleaning is quick thanks to the accessible blade and smooth surfaces. While hand washing might take a bit more effort than dishwasher-safe alternatives, it ensures that the slicer remains in top condition for a long time. Like any product, there are minor considerations. The slicer is designed for home and light commercial use, so it might not be the best fit for high-volume professional environments. However, for most kitchens, it delivers reliable performance and precision. Its combination of safety features, durability, and user-friendly design makes it an excellent choice for anyone who enjoys cooking or entertaining. In summary, the BESWOOD 10-inch electric food slicer blends efficiency, durability, and style. It's perfect for slicing meats, cheeses, and a variety of foods with adjustable thickness and minimal effort. Whether you're a home cook or someone who occasionally entertains guests, this slicer makes food preparation faster, cleaner, and more enjoyable.